Hi folks, I just came home from our house at our Akiya in Miwa, and the other day I posted a video about my kiwi that didn't fully ripen. And Steve from Real Rural Japan, he has a YouTube video, and he also has a cafe in Nagano. The name of the cafe is Cafe Tamano. Yeah, so he's an Aussie, and he turned this kominka, old Japanese house, into a cafe. See, he suggested that I should put my kiwi with apples, and I just kind of joked that, well, I need some good Nagano apples to do that. And then he's like, send me your address. And I come home and look at this. So thanks, Steve. Man, you're the man. And when I go to Nagano, I'll definitely stop by and check out your place. All right, guys, take care. Bye.